Alright guys, welcome back. So today I got this 2012 Chevy Cruze. So the AC not working. As you can see right there, the dial is not lighting up or anything. So I want to show you guys how to get it working. So I'm turning the knob right now guys. Nothing. From the button, nothing here guys. No light, nothing. So I'm going to show you shortly what to do. Alright, so first, that's the tester hook up to the grounding part of the car right there. Removing the fuse box cover and the dash on the driver side. Alright, so right there you can see that 15 amp fuse right there guys. The last one in the bottom there guys, 15 amp. I'm testing it now. Only one side tester light up. Right there, that side good, that side gone guys. So I'm going to replace it with a new one, same exact 15 amp. I'm moving now with our players, along those players. Right, so now that's the new 15 amp fuse. So now put it in the AC, gonna take a few seconds to chip in guys. So now I'm waiting on it to start to blow. Test it again, make sure it's okay. Alright, as you can see the light come on the buttons guys. Right, so now the button working. Now I'm checking to make sure it's blowing air. Alright guys, now it start to blow air. Start to get cool. Alright, there we go. So it's working guys. Very cold. The button working now guys. So if you find this video useful, please like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you.